This is going to be a new alarms system test. The new alarms in the system are all out here. I have an ADT BG12L on the Firelight SB10 back box, and I have a system sensor S2415 strobe only on the BBS back box skirt. This pull station, I've not mentioned it yet, but it's pretty much permanent because that back box is not universal and will only allow simplex T-bars to be mounted on it. There's nothing on the ceiling, and I've had this alarm. It's a P2415. No, this one's just the P2475, and the system sensor MDL module is going to synchronize the two spectral alerts together. And this one will be doing code 3. Over here I have some other new alarms, and I also have 6 Wheelock 7002Ts coming in the mail. So let's go ahead and pull the ADT BG12L and get the test started. And that is it for the new alarms system test. Thank you for watching.